What's up, people? It's Leah. Today I am going to be decluttering my closet. Last night I went through my closet and I took out all of the sweaters, long sleeve shirts, and pants that I have. So I've got that all to the side here. I'm going to go through every item one by one and decide what I'm going to keep, what I am going to sell / donate, and what I'm going to keep as either cosplay or some sort of upcycling item. Meaning that I'll have it, but it won't be in my main wardrobe. It'll be with my cosplay stuff. Or it will be something that I'm going to use to make something else. Somebody has been outside banging on a gate all morning and I'm going to lose my mind. I don't even know if you can hear it, but if you can, I'm so sorry. I'm going to try to get that sound out. Let's get started. First, I have this jean jacket. I'm definitely going to keep this. I got this in a bag of clothes that were being donated from one of my bosses, and I love this jacket. It fits me really well, and I guess I'll keep the piles behind me, so keep will be here. I don't know where the rest will go. Next, we have another jean jacket. Also definitely keeping this one. This is a vintage jacket that I got from my dad. I think it's from the 70s or the 80s. I don't know, but it's made out of pants and I think it's really cool. So I'm definitely keeping it. I also love jean jackets. I have a third jean jacket that I'm also definitely keeping. Yep, here it is. This one is a little bit more tightly fit, but I have a pair of pants that match this jean pretty perfectly. So I like to wear them together for my Canadian tuxedo. So I am keeping this. The goal of this declutter is to get rid of a lot of my sweaters and long sleeve stuff because where I'm moving to, I'm not going to be needing a lot of that. But lighter jackets like this, I think are really good to keep because at night it does get cold during the winter months. And of course, if I go on vacations and stuff, I sort of want to just have a capsule wardrobe of sweaters that I can take on cold vacations because, you know, again, I'm not going to be needing a lot of that all the time throughout the year. This jacket I am definitely donating. I don't wear it, so I'm getting rid of it. I don't like the style of it. It's just like really basic. So I'm going to try and sell all the clothes that I'm getting rid of, and whatever I can't sell and make some money from, I am going to donate. This bomber jacket, I'm also going to donate or sell. I don't wear it anymore. I just feel like bomber jackets are kind of out of style. Everything's sort of like oversized now. So definitely going to sell this. I don't even know if I can sell it because I really just feel like they're super out of style, but it did do me well for a while. Oh my gosh, I'm realizing there's like a color theme. I just did like 3 jean jackets and now I'm doing 3 olive colored items. This I'm really torn on, honestly. It's like this oversized blazer from Zara. I do really like it, but I've never worn it. And I'm tempted to sell it just because it still has its tags on it. And it was kind of expensive. I will say I did not buy this myself. This was given to me by someone who was getting rid of it and they were like, donate it. And I was like, oh, I'm going to keep it. And now that I have it, I'm like, I don't know. But I do feel like it's kind of in style. Like I feel like it would look really cute for like a going out outfit, like under a little black dress or something. I'm gonna keep it. This Pink Floyd sweater I'm going to keep. I like it. I wear it to the gym sometimes. I also just wear it laying around the house. Could be good. Blast the AC, put on a sweater. Keeping this one. This I'm getting rid of. I've never worn it. Again, it was something I was given to donate and I decided to keep it and I'm done with it because I never wore it. So I'm getting rid of it. This one, I don't know. I like this, but I also feel like it's not really my style. So I think I'm gonna try to sell it. If I can't sell it, I'll maybe consider keeping it. But yeah, I don't know. I don't think that this is something I would necessarily wear myself, even though I like it. So donation. Same with this. I like this sweater, but again, not really my style. It will be happier in someone else's home. Same with this. This sweater is super comfy and pretty, but I would never wear it. It's not my style. I have other sweaters that are more like black gray tone, which is more me. When we get into like the beiges and these kind of neutrals, it's not really my thing. This sweater I liked the idea of because of like, you know, these strings and stuff, but again, with the color palette, I wanted it to feel like kind of punky, but it felt more like Renaissance fair, which don't get me wrong, I love the Renaissance fair, but for my daily wear, this color palette just does not do it for me. Sell. This sweater is just like full of pulls on the sleeves and stuff. It's just not in great shape right now. I do really like it. I feel like I probably would have kept it if it was in better shape, but sell. Oh my gosh. Okay, this I actually do really love, but again, I don't think I'll wear it, and I think it'll be happier in someone else's home, and it's from Madewell, so I think I can get some money for it. So I'm gonna sell this. This is just just like weirdly too colorful for me. It's like pretty muted colors, but again, just not really my style. I do like it. Someone else will like it more. So as I said before, I do love jean, but this one, I don't know, like I don't love it. There's just like nothing really special about it. So I think this is a jean shirt I'm going to get rid of. I do have another long sleeve jean shirt that I will be keeping, so we'll at least have one in the collection. This sweater I thought would be a little too bright for me, but I actually really love it. I have this pair of black pants that I wear it with. I'll usually do it with a choker so I can make it a little bit grungier. And I like that it's got some holes in it so it's a bit breathable. You can put like a long sleeve shirt underneath it, or if it's a little warmer, you could wear it on its own. Definitely think it'll be great for the capsule wardrobe, so I'm gonna keep it. And it's super soft. Also, it's from Forever 21 and it feels like really good quality. So I'm like, Forever 21 stepping up their game. I have no idea what this is. This is like a robe jacket thing. I got it in a donation bag from one of my bosses that I decided to keep. Now that I have it, I'm like, why did I keep this? I'm gonna sell it. This I am definitely keeping. It's super lightweight, so it'll be good for a warmer climate. And it's black, which is one of my favorite colors to wear. I've worn it formally with, you know, a pair of dress pants. I also wear it around my waist, unbuttoned with like a crop top and a skirt. There's a lot of ways that I've worn this, so definitely gonna keep it. I definitely really like this shirt. This I feel like it might be time to get rid of. I do like it, but the color is, I don't know. It's a little like too much my skin tone. And it's super tight and long sleeved. I don't know. I might try to sell it, and if I can't sell it, I'll probably end up keeping it, but for now, let's put it in the sell pile. This I'm definitely keeping. I got this from my friend Kelly, who I'm sure a lot of you know who that is. I wore it once in a video I did with her, and I was like, damn, I love this shirt. I can't wait till she gets rid of it. She finally got rid of it. She gave it to me. To be honest, it like definitely is like pretty old and worn, but I wear it a lot on my Twitch streams, so definitely gonna keep it, if not just for wearing on Twitch streams. My donation piles and my keep piles are kind of becoming the same pile, so I'm sorry for the disorganization that you see behind you. Here's the other jean shirt that I have. This one I really like. It's a men's jean shirt. It's like really oversized. I really like it. It's got a cute little whale on the corner here. I wear this shirt a lot. Definitely keeping it. Super lightweight too, so it could be in my regular wardrobe, not just like my travel winter wardrobe. I think it's time to get rid of this. This is just like a cropped sweater. I wear it to the gym a lot, but like, I don't know. I think it's time to get rid of it. It's pretty worn. It's definitely not good enough to stay in like the normal wardrobe, and having a sweater to wear to the gym just kind of doesn't make sense. So I'm going to try to sell this. I doubt I'm gonna get any money for it, and it's probably just gonna get donated. My Star Wars sweater. Oh, this is gonna be so hard to get rid of. I really don't think that I can. It's so worn, but I mean, I do wear it on stream sometimes, and I feel like it could just be a good like laying around sweater. I'm gonna keep it. I can't get rid of a Star Wars sweater. Okay, this sweater I think I'm gonna put in the upcycle pile. I would like to try to dye it. I don't know what color, but I got this from Kelly as well. The strings used to say like workout every day, so I like pulled that out so it doesn't say anything anymore. It's just like nothing. But I don't really wear a lot of white, and it's honestly gotten a little bit grungy looking. Like it looks dirty, which is a reason I don't wear white. So I'm thinking I can upcycle this and maybe dye it a different color. So let's put it in the upcycle pile. Oh, my first upcycle. Yay. This I'm going to keep. It's a shirt from the rock climbing gym that I belong to. I actually upcycled this already. Originally, it was just like this color shirt, but I made it a color block because I got a giant grease stain on the bottom of it. And I've gotten some compliments on it from the gym, and they're like, oh my gosh, I love what you did with it. So definitely keeping this because I love my gym, and I'm definitely gonna miss it when I leave. I think I'm gonna keep this. It's long sleeved, but it's not very thick material. It's super loungy. I could definitely travel with this. I've worn this on planes a bunch, and it's black, which I like for most of my stuff. So I think I'm gonna keep this. This I'm gonna sell. I like it, but again, the light gray is just really not my style. It will be happier somewhere else. This I'm getting rid of. I don't know what I was thinking. This is not me. It's just not. This is getting donated, sold, whatever. Not keeping. This I'm definitely gonna keep, but I think I'm gonna put it into my cosplay box. It's not something I've ever worn. Maybe like one time I've worn in my regular life, but for the most part, I just wear this for cosplay. So I'll put this in my upcycle / cosplay bin. This I think I'm gonna keep. I definitely won't need this in my daily wardrobe, but I think it could work really nicely in my capsule wardrobe that I'm creating. It is a darker gray. It fits me really nicely. I also like that it has like these slits up the side, which is super cute. So I'll keep this for travel, definitely. Oh no, but I have this other gray turtleneck that's like a darker gray. And it's like, do I need 2 gray turtlenecks for travel? That one fits me better, but this one I like the color more. All right, I'm gonna get rid of this one. You've served me well. Okay, this I'm gonna keep for now. This is a thermal, and I know I have other thermals, but I think this one is nicer. So I think I'm more likely to keep this one over the other thermals that I have once I locate them. So we'll keep this for like snowboarding and travel and that kind of stuff. Oh man, my Peru sweater. I bought this when I was in Peru. If you've ever been to Peru, I'm sure you already knew that because literally everyone buys one, but I do really love it. It's so fun to just lounge in. It's super cozy. It's probably way too warm for where I'm going, but honestly, I do travel with this sometimes because I would wear it on a plane maybe. And I don't know. I'm not ready to part with this yet. I'm definitely going to keep it. This sweater I'm definitely keeping for travel. I love it with the open shoulders and stuff. It feels really grungy and it's black and it's lightweight and it fits me well. So yeah, this is good for travel. Probably won't stay in my main wardrobe because I can't imagine wearing this where I'm moving, but for travel, this is definitely something I will get a lot of use out of. Okay, so these next two sweaters, we've got this like dark gray speckled sweater. It's like a little cropped. And then we've got this bigger sweater. I don't think I need both of them, but I get compliments on both of these. They're definitely good for travel and they're really cute. I'm keeping both. I don't care. I'm keeping both. I really like these sweaters. And this sweater, I think I'm gonna get rid of. It was one of my first upcycles. I acid washed it to make like a tie-dye effect, but it's a little pulled in the front. There's some pulling here and the color I just don't love. And I feel like I have enough sweaters. So this guy is getting donated. And now an alarm is going off. Why is this the loudest day? Hold for alarm, please. This jacket I'm definitely keeping. I got this at a thrift store. Leather I would probably never buy firsthand, but I bought this secondhand for like $20. It's super oversized, really cute. I wear it for cosplays, but I also wear it out and about. It might be too heavy for where I'm going, but I would definitely travel with this. This would be really cute to travel with. And this jacket I'm absolutely keeping. This is my parachute jacket, as I call it. I got it at a thrift store. I freaking love it. I get a ton of compliments on it. So it's a good way to wear something black, but also have like a pop of color. I mean, many pops of color. But yeah, definitely keeping this. Okay, I have this pantsuit that I'm a little unsure if I want to keep. The thing about it is I wish it was lighter. It's definitely super thick fabric, more for like winter, which kind of sucks, but I do really like this for formal events. I'm Jewish and sometimes I have to go to like temple or services, and I feel like this is a good thing to wear to that. If I just like have to dress up, but I don't want to wear a dress, I do really like this. I don't know how much use I will get out of it, but I am not ready to part with it yet because I always wanted a really nice suit and I like this suit, so I'm gonna keep it. And this crop sweater I think I'm going to keep. I like it. I get a lot of compliments on it and it's a good layering item. I have this crop top that I typically will wear underneath it, so I could wear it somewhere where like, will I be warm? Will I be cold? If it's like a cool evening, I feel like this would be good to wear, so definitely keeping this. Hello from inside of my sound booth. If you haven't watched my room tour video, I will link that in the cards for you if you want to see how I set this sound booth up, but this is it from the inside. The reason I'm in here right now and not showing you what pants I'm keeping or selling is because as I'm editing the video, I realized that my camera did not record that part. So this video will just be sweaters and long sleeve shirts, and I will redo the pants for another day. But I have to say, I am proud of myself. My goal was to get rid of 50% of my sweaters and long sleeve shirts. I kept a little bit more than 50%, but I would say that I did a pretty good job getting rid of stuff. So definitely happy with the amount that I am either selling or donating, and I'm content with the stuff that I'm keeping. So thank you for coming along this journey with me. I will be back next week with another vlog. Might be another decluttering vlog, might be a hair dye vlog. Actually, fun fact, the day that this video is coming out is my 30th birthday. So I'm also going to be vlogging sort of what I'm doing on my birthday and the day after my birthday. So that will be a vlog as well. So one of those vlogs will be what you can look forward to next. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you soon. Peace out. Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에 더 나은 겨울. Yeah, got your cold.